Class 10, example sum 8.7. The amount that the children have spent for purchasing some eatables in one-day trips of a school are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. The amount spent. Using step deviation method. Here the question itself given, we want to use compulsory the step deviation method. Find the standard deviation of the amount they have spent. By using the step deviation method, we want to find the standard deviation, right? For the given data is the ungrouped data. We have using the step deviation method. Here we have C as the common value, that is given data, and that we are choosing common value for this. Here assumed value, we can choose any one of this assumed value. Here I am going to choose as assumed value as 25. So here A is equal to 25, and then common value C. See the difference of each number. We have 5, 10, 15. So we have 5 as the common difference. So we take it as 5 as a common difference. And then how many data are given? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So N is equal to 8. Now we want to find out what is the deviation of DI. Xi minus A. Xi is 5 minus A is 25. C is divided by 5. So 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 20, divided by 5 is equal to minus 4. So here we have minus 4. Here we have 10. 10 minus 25 divided by 5 is equal to 10 minus 25 is minus 15, divided by 5 is equal to minus 3. I already told you, see, whenever you are choosing the assumed value, above the assumed value we have negative, and then below the assumed value we have positive value. So here we get surely negative value only. 25 means we get 0. Now see, 15 minus 25. Here we have 15. 15 minus 25 is 10. Minus 10 divided by 5 is equal to minus 2. So 20 minus 25 is minus 5. Divided by 5 is equal to we get minus 1. So we get 1. So 30 minus 25 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 35 minus 25 is equal to 10. Here we have divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Here we have 40. 40 minus 25 is 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Here we want to find summation DI. And next we have to square the term. If you square, we get only positive value. 4 4s are 16. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4. 1 1s are 1. And then 0. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Summation DI square. We want to add the sum of all the terms. See, for adding, here we have, see, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Here we have negative value, here we have positive value. Sum of this value is equal to 6. Sum of this value is equal to, see, 7, 9, 10. So minus 10. So we get minus 4 is the highest value. And the sum of this value is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. Here also we have 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 16 is 44. Now we have the form. Now we want to find the standard deviation, that is standard deviation sigma is equal to, here we are using step deviation method, C into root of summation di square divided by n minus summation di divided by n whole square is the formula. Now C is equal to 5 into root of summation di square is 44 divided by 8, n is equal to 8 minus summation di is equal to minus 4 divided by 8 whole square. See, 44 is divided by 8. 5 8s are 40, remainder 4, put 1 0. Again 5 8s are 40. So we get 5 into root of 5.5 minus, if you reduce this 4 by 8, 4 divided by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. Here 0.5 means we are squaring, just forgot about that 0.5 square means 25, and then 2 decimal places, that is 0.25. Now 5 into root of, when we subtract this we get root of 5.25. See, if you take the square root for this, we get exactly 5 means we have square, perfect square is 2 2s are, so 2 point something we get. Now we are going to find the square root for this 5.25 is, we get 2.289, that is nothing but 2.89, more than 5 we get that value. If you divide, finding the square root for this, we get 2.29. So we take it as 2.29 as that. Now multiple by 5, we get 5 9s are 45, 5 remainder 4, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 is 14, 4 remainder 1, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 2 decimal places. So this value is approximately, the standard deviation is equal to 11.45 is the answer. Thank you, students.